Hey guys, wanna know how to sign into Taskade via Apple account? It's super simple, but in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do it. So let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your Taskade application. You can also do this via the browser by searching taskade.com and then the official Taskade website should pop up. Since the application is easier, I'm doing with it. Now click on Login to Taskade. This will open a browser where you will be redirected to the login page. Now here, since we are doing login with Apple, click on login with Apple right here. Now you need to sign in to your Apple account. Just fill in the credentials and the password accordingly. And once your login and password has been submitted, you should be provided with this page right here. Now just simply click on open Taskade and then your application should be open with your logged in Apple account. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.